It is day 29 of Preptober, where we are plotting a book in 31 days, and today we are going to identify problematic areas. Now that you've gone through all of this, you should have a workable outline, something to start off your writing with. You have a beginning, a middle, and end, you have characters, you have world building, you have a setting, and you have character arcs. And you probably also have a couple of areas that have remained problematic in the outline. I tend to have a few places where I have written, and then they get from point A to point B somehow. Or, and then they make up, and then they solve the problem. Vague things like that, where as I go through the outline now, I see that this is gonna be a problem when I'm writing. I don't know what I'm doing here, and when I'm writing and I get here, I won't know what to do. I also tend to have a few places where I haven't exactly written something vague like that, but I still know that once I get here when I'm writing, there's gonna be a problem. It feels like there's gonna be a problem. You know yourself as an author, you're probably gonna find something like this. If you don't, that's great, but if you do, try to identify why this particular piece is going to be difficult. Do you not know enough about what's going on? Do you think that this bit is just kind of boring? Does this character not have anything to do for half of the book? Does this character make two very different decisions at different points in the book? There doesn't seem to be a reason why they would make that one there and that one there. Is the magic able to do this one thing but not this other very similar thing? The list really goes on. There can be a lot of different things. So look at it, try to identify why you have a problem, and try to fix it. Now, it is okay to not be able to fix a thing at this stage. You might fix it later, you might fix it when you're writing, or you might not fix it until draft 2 or 5. But I find it useful to at least know beforehand when something is going to be difficult, even if I don't know how to solve it. At least if I know that beforehand, when I get to it while I'm writing, I can look at it and be like, yeah, this was always going to be a problem. And above all, if I have identified it beforehand that this is going to be a problem, once I get there is a higher chance that I'm going to be able to solve it, because while I've been writing everything up until now, my subconscious has been working on this problem and trying to fix it. So maybe in all of this writing, I have actually made a solution that works. And if not, again, I know, okay, this is a problem, I can't solve it right now, maybe I can in the next draft, and I'll just move on. Because usually, for me at least, these things are fairly small. They are not things that will break the story. If they are, you do need to find a solution right now.